Yeah, I'm telling you, yeah. I'm telling you the irony of everything. The irony of functionality is that a person's functionality in society isn't only based on their abilities, yeah, to do certain things, to complete tasks. It's also based on how they fit into society or how they fail to fit into society over the long term, right? But you can't just blame a person for their functionality or lack thereof. You can't blame them for it because, like I said, like I said, society, ironically, because of how judgmental and discriminatory most people are, yeah, it's because of their discrimination, because of their prejudice, because of because ironically because of how society is rejecting these people, okay, because of how society is judging these people. It is the reason why they are deemed non-functional. We are deemed non-functional. Yeah, you know when I can't fit in somewhere. 孔子話㗎嘛，孔子話齋有教無類啊嘛，唔可以因為人哋係 slow learner，或者人哋有 ADHD or 自閉症、過度活躍症，即係總之條友有事唔代表佢唔可以受教育噶嘛，係咪先？唔代表佢唔可以學嘢噶嘛，係咪？唔可以因為人哋學嘢慢，係咪？唔可以因為人哋 easily distracted for whatever reason，就話我拒絕教佢咁樣，咁我話咁算啦，係咪先？通常啲武術師傅咧、功夫師傅咧睇咧係睇咩嘅咧？骨骼精奇啦，佢通常都話骨骼精奇就教你啦，唔係話你學嘢好快喎，學嘢好快咧。以前嗰啲古老嗰啲師傅咧，其實都唔係覺得好重要啊，即係你知嘅啦。你只要有恒心係咪？鐵杵磨成針，你學嘢冇佢咁快，咁你咪咁你咪學多幾個鐘啦，係咪先？人哋一日學1個鐘頭就已經我已經記熟晒啲招式啦。呢條友佢記性冇咁好嘅，咁我話咁你學多幾個鐘啦，係咪？你每一日學多幾個鐘，練多幾個鐘，咁咪得咯，係咪先？有咩問題咧？係咪？我都唔明班友嘅真係，班友真係話一覺得你有 progress is too slow，跟住就唔想教你。咁我話咁你學乜人做老師咧？係咪先？學乜人做師傅咧？係咪？學乜人做教練咧？係咪？我都話第時我諗住做教練嘅話，做教練第一樣嘢話條友咁孱弱嘅嘛，冇㗎係咪？骨骼精奇你咪揀佢做你大弟子啦，係咪？佢學嘢冇咁快，你最多咪教多佢幾個鐘啦，係咪先？係咁噶啦。佢只要有耐力，係咪？佢只要有耐力，佢只要夠 tanky，佢日日出現，就算學嘢冇咁快，佢只要日日出現，不停係咁學，始終都係學得識㗎，係咪？我認為係咁樣嘅喎。人哋學嘢快啲有天分啫，係咪先？跟住佢就唔學啦，係咪？佢自己選擇唔學嘅，唔係你踢佢出去噶嘛？咁啊抵佢死啦，係咪？佢自己選擇唔學啫嘛，係咪？但係人哋唔係啊，人哋就算學嘢慢咧，佢日日堅持係咁 drill，係咁 drill，佢早晚有一日都會成功噶嘛，係咪先？我都係教曉你呢樣嘢啫，係咪？Derek C 咁，Derek C 係比人哋慢啊，係咪？咁佢而家夠 OK 啦，係咪？佢而家都幾好啊，係咪？唔可以因為人哋學嘢慢啊，easily distracted 就放棄佢噶嘛，係咪？